welcome back to my channel. It's Nikita Malkani from St. Mother Teresa English School, Nandurbar. Here in this lecture, we are going to learn lesson number 17 of our Perfect Grammar and Composition textbook for Standard 3rd. So lesson number 17 is about punctuations. Punctuation means what? Punctuation means to write the sentence in a proper order consisting proper capital letters, full stops, question marks. Okay, so let's see. First punctuation is apostrophe. What it is? Apostrophe. An apostrophe is used with an S to show that something belongs to someone. Apostrophe की साइन कैसे होती है? It is a comma upside. With singular and collective nouns, we place the apostrophe before the S. See, apostrophe किसके साथ यूज होती है? With S. But when the noun is singular, जब noun single होता है तो apostrophe कहाँ आती है? पहले, S के पहले आती है. See, the tail of the cat's tail. शॉर्ट कर दिया. tail of the cat को क्या किया हमने? The cat's tail. The captain of the crew. The crew's captain. apostrophe कहाँ लगी? S के पहले. We also use an apostrophe with an S to show the relationship between two things. ये S क्यों लगता है? एक तो singular collective nouns के साथ, otherwise to show the relationship between two things. दो चीज़ों के बीच में relationship दिखाने के लिए. The speech given by the minister. The minister's speech. It is relationship, showing the relationship between the minister and the speech. Okay? See here, we'll do the exercise. Write the following phrases using apostrophe S. The bicycle owned by Ria. Bicycle किसकी है? Ria. Ria's bicycle. The hairstyle of the footballer. Footballer's hairstyle. The work of a day. A day's work. The handle of the suitcase. The suitcase's handle. The room that belongs to Amit. Room किसका है? Amit's room. Clear? With plural nouns that end with S, we simply place the apostrophe after the S. The nouns जो plural है, जो S के साथ ख़त्म होते हैं, तो apostrophe कहाँ लगाते हैं? उसके बाद. See here. The shoes worn by the boys. The boys' shoes. यहाँ पे already boys है, plural है. So boys' shoes. apostrophe कहाँ लगी? S के बाद. Singular noun में apostrophe S से पहले लगती है, and in plural noun apostrophe S के बाद लगती है. We add an apostrophe with an S to the plural nouns that does not end with S. जहाँ पे the noun, wherever the noun is plural but it does not end with S, there are some exceptional cases, so we use apostrophe before S. Okay, the shirts belonging to the men. The men's shirt. The men's shirt. Here men is already plural, so we'll write men's shirt, showing the relationship between the men and the shirt. Okay, keep in mind we use a full stop, a question mark and an exclamation mark at the end of the sentence to show the proper punctuate the sentence. Rewrite the following sentences, replacing the underlined part with the phrases that mean the same and also include apostrophes. We have to write the phrases with apostrophes. Okay, first, he often borrows the book that belongs to his friend. He often borrows his friend's book. The phrase for whole this underlined part is friend's book. Second, Safia guarded the handbags of the woman during rehearsals. Safia guarded the woman's handbags during rehearsals. Third, the children were frightened by the roars of the lions. The children were frightened by the lions' roars. Fourth, they packed the equipments of the crews in big cartoons. They packed the crew's equipments in the big cartoon. See here, lions and crews. Apostrophe already hai. S already hai in the noun. So we added apostrophe after S. Fifth, the compositions written by the musicians became very famous. The musicians' compositions become very famous. Understood, everyone? Sometimes we write short forms of two words using an apostrophe. These are called contractions. We omit one or more letters from the two words. They put an apostrophe in place of the omitted letters. I am became I apostrophe M. He will becomes he apostrophe double L. WI is omitted here. You are your. Will not, won't. She is, she's. Have not, haven't. I have, I apostrophe VE, I have. I won't, I would, I apostrophe D, I'd. Okay? We have to write this same short forms using apostrophe. Do not becomes don't. VR becomes WEV apostrophe RE. We are. Third, who is becomes WHO who apostrophe S. Whose. Fourth, does not becomes doesn't. Fifth, they are becomes THEY they apostrophe RE. Here A is omitted. Sixth, WAS was not becomes wasn't. WASN apostrophe T wasn't. Next punctuation is comma. We use a comma to separate words in a list. We wear sweaters, mufflers, socks and gloves in winter. To separate similar words of a type in a list, we are similar or different words, but to separate them, we use comma. We use a comma to show a pause or a break between parts of sentences. I need a notebook, a ruler, and a sharp pencil. I will buy the things, take them home, and finish the project. We use a comma after introductory words such as yes or no. Yes or no के बाद भी हम comma use करते हैं. Yes, I will wait for your call. We also use a comma to separate the name of the person being spoken to form the rest of the sentences. Raghav, I will call you today. To separate the name of a person from sentence, we also use a comma there. D. Punctuate the following sentences using capital letters ABCD, commas, full stop, question mark, exclamation marks, and apostrophes wherever needed. First, I went to a concert last night. I, capital, went to a concert last night, full stop at the end. Second, the, T capital of the drummer, comma, the guitarist, comma, the singer were truly amazing, full stop at the end. Third, Rahul's, R capital because it is a proper noun, comma, Ankita, Ankita's A capital, and Pooja's P capital. Enjoyed the band's here apostrophe S, band's performance. Fourth, we, W capital, got free shirts, apostrophe S, comma, caps and posters with the band's name on them, full stop. Fifth, what a grand show it was. We plan to go there again. What, W capital, a grand show it was, exclamation mark. We separated these two sentences. We plan to go to there again, full stop. Surbhi, S capital, comma, to separate the word. Will you come with us? Question mark. This is a question. Seventh, yes, comma, I would love to. Okay, so this was all about punctuation. Just pay attention that where you have to put full stops, question marks, exclamations. Don't forget to write capital letters at the starting of the sentence, and also using capital letters for proper nouns, and use apostrophe wherever needed. Thank you.